Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this awesome Honda CB125R. Registered the 17th of October 2019 on a 69 plate with 6,508 miles, benefiting from service history and presented in Matt Gunpowder Black Metallic. The Honda CB125R benefits from quality touches like beefy 41mm upside-down forks, a 4-piston radial caliper, and a LCD dash. Together, these parts lend an added layer of sophistication not found elsewhere in this class. At the heart of the CB125R lies a peppy 125 cc2 SOHC single-cylinder engine, producing 13.1 bhp, which is more than capable of getting ahead and staying ahead of the urban sprawl. This class-leading 125 would leave us serviced where required, with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. For more information, please contact us on 01424444448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. WhatsApp Nagiv 073598373599.